guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna try few fashion hacks that I have been seeing on YouTube and I really wanted to give it a try because last time when I tried it was so much fun and some of the hacks were really helpful. बहुत मजा आता है ये videos करने में. So I thought this time I should give it a try because there are new hacks and some of them are really good. So I really wanted to give it a try. So I think we should just start the video now. So in this hack, she's in a party and her top is dirty. Now she takes a dupatta or a scarf and now she is passing it through a ring and then she's tying a knot. And I think, yeah, now her top is ready. So let's just try how this works. So now I have a dupatta. I stole it from my mom and this ring. Now I will just place it here just like in the video, and then she takes the ring and pass it through the ring like this, and then she pulled these, yeah, right, and now she tied the knot behind her neck. Then she takes the extra fabric and just tucked it in. So now I have removed the top because it was pink. So now I'm wearing a new top so that you can see clearly how it is looking. And I think it's pretty great, yaar. I haven't, seen anything like this. And I think with the dupatta, if you're creating a top like this, it's okay. I think it's decent and it's working. So again, in this hack also, she's carrying a scarf or dupatta, whatever it is, and then she passes it through her, strap, and then she tied the knot in her sleeve. And yeah, she created such a great sleeve, yaar. Let's try it. So for the next hack, she's wearing a top like this. I don't have the exact one, but I think this strap will work. And I have the same dupatta again, and she passes it from here and placed it like this, and then from the other side as well, like this. And now she tied it from here. And from this side as well. I don't know if this is good or not because I'm feeling a bit weird because this is like knotted and I think it will look weird if I'll go outside like this. And also one thing, you need to see the back. This is how it is looking. So I think you will not go like this outside, but I think if you want to work it, you can insert just like inside your top. And yeah, I think now it's looking pretty decent from the back, but I don't know if it's working or not. But I have issue with this, although it's nice, but this knot is not looking good. So in the next hack, this girl snatched her boyfriend's shirt and now she's wearing it. She passes each side through the bangle and tucked it in, and she created a really nice top, and I want to really try this. So just like in the video, I'm wearing this shirt and now I have this bangle. I'm going to pass this through the bangle. This is little weird to do in the camera, but I'll do it. And now she just pulled this and placed it under this. Yeah. So this is how our top looks like in the video. But one thing I want to say, it's a really nice hack and I like it. But I'm not sure if I'll go out and I will end up, slipping something and showing something, so some accident can happen. So if you want this to work, what you can do, you can safety pin it, but then also I'm not sure. So if you want to try this hack, do it on your own risk because something can happen. Okay, so in this next hack, this is quite interesting. I've been seeing this hack like on Instagram or on YouTube, so I was really excited to try this on. And she created a top with 2 panties, and I really want to try it. So this is how this hack looks, but it took me forever to figure out how to wear it because it was so difficult. And in the video she did it so fast that I was not able to get it, but this is how it looks. But I want to say one thing, that I have adjusted it somehow because everything was bulging out. So I don't think it's good, but for like videos, for like photos, you can wear it, but in practically you can't wear it because again you can show something, some accident can happen, so don't try it. And also one thing, if you have like a bigger breast size, you can't actually try this hack, or you want a bigger panty which are like really big in size, otherwise anything can come out, so please make sure that. So in this hack she's just wearing shorts, and then she passes it like this, and then the other leg through her arm. Let's try this. So now I have done this much, and now I will pass my hand through this. So this is the end result. This is how the top is looking. I don't know if it's looking good or bad in camera. You can tell me in the comment section, but I'm feeling it a bit weird. And the fit is also a bit confusing and weird. I don't want to try this again. I mean, why the hell anybody will try this? Instead, that girl will go to a store and buy a new top for her. Yeah, so please don't try this hack. It's a bad hack. So in this next hack, she is wearing her skirt like a top. She pulled it up, and then she's wearing a belt on top. So looks exciting. Let's try this one. So for the skirt, I chose this skirt, this floral skirt, and now I'm gonna pull it up like this, and I'm gonna wear a belt on top. So I have this brown belt. I'm gonna tie it on my waist. So this is how it looks, and I'm really happy with it. ये बहुत ही मस्त लग रहा है. I mean, I didn't expect that it will look this nice, and I think you can try it with a long skirt and make a dress. But I'm really happy with this one. This came out really nice. It's looking like a peplum top, and nobody will say that it's a skirt because it's looking like a top. And I'm really happy that I tried this hack and I have a new top. So in this next hack, she's wearing her shirt on her waist, and then she passes a belt through the sleeves, and she made a skirt. Yeah. And one thing I'm not getting, like, why the hell every piece of clothing they have to make it in a different way? Like, the top is a skirt, and then they are making the skirt as a top. That's really weird, but let it be. Just move to the video, and I'm gonna try this hack now. So now I have this really loose t-shirt because this is how her t-shirt was. So now I'm gonna just wear it like this. And now after this, what she did, she took a belt like this, and she passed it like this through the sleeves, and then she twisted it like this. And then she was wearing it like this. I am speechless, guys. I don't know what is this. This is a dhoti or a lungi. What is it? I don't know. I don't know what is this. I don't want to say anything. I know you already know my answer, that how it is. It's really bad. It's a joke. So don't try this joke at home. So in the next hack, she took a pajama, then no, not pajama, but it's a palazzo, I think. And then she passed her body through that, and then she wrapped the other leg around her waist. So let's try this one. So now I have this palazzo. I'm gonna do the same that was in the hack, and now I'm gonna wear it. The struggle is real. Now that's done. Now she took the other leg and she wrapped it around her waist. I didn't expect that it will look this good. I think it's nice. Not that great, but okay. And fit is loose, but I think it's decent enough to wear inside your house, not outside, because otherwise it will look awkward. But yeah, I like it. So now I'm gonna try the next hack. In this one, what she's doing, she just took a scarf and tied it around her neck and tucked the rest of the fabric, and yeah, her top is ready. So let's go. Now I'm gonna tie this scarf around my neck, and now she took this fabric and tucked it inside her skirt. This is looking good from the front, but wait, you don't want to expose this part because there's no support here. So every time you will bend, everything will be exposed. So no, you can't wear this outside. So it's a really bad hack. So now in the next hack, this girl is wearing her t-shirt upside down, and she created a off-shoulder top. Now I have another t-shirt. I'm gonna try with this one. Please wait for the magic. This. Don't try this hack. This is a really bad hack. I tried it with the smaller t-shirt, it was not working. Then I tried with the loose t-shirt and still not working. So it's a bad hack. So if you like this video or you are new to my channel, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.